Our firm handles every personal injury case that you could come across: motor vehicle crashes, medical malpractice cases, and product liability cases. One of the things people who are injured need help on right away is to figure out, what do I do now? The first thing you want to do if you're injured is get good legal advice right away. In particular, if you've been in a car crash, you want to preserve evidence. If you've had a situation where a large organization has harmed you, you want to make sure that you're preserving records. One of the things we do as a firm to try to help minimize the impact of an injury on you is to make sure that we're in constant contact with you throughout the process, not only in terms of the legal part of it, but also in terms of the human dynamics. Something that separates us as a law firm is our willingness to get personally invested in our client's fate, not only in terms of the lawsuit, but in terms of how things turn out for them in the end. And that's what gives us an edge when we go against our competition. All the lawyers at our firm take pride in outworking anybody that we're against. We're going to take cases that are hard, and we are going to fight aggressively to represent you as well as we can.